We'll guide you through how you can turn off the dark mode in Microsoft Word 2024. So let's get started. Now guys, we have two solutions for that. If you want to turn this dark mode off, just go to the file menu right here and just click on account from here, and the office theme, as you can see, it is selected to black. You will just change it to white and we have our original theme back. What you can also do is just go to the file menu, and if you can't see this option in the account, just go to the options right here and just go to the journal tab, and from here you can see this office theme right here and you can turn on the white as well. But let's try this time dark gray. Click OK, and what it will do is it will turn the background into gray mode while the page is still white. So hopefully that should solve your problem. So this was a pretty straightforward video guys. I hope it helps you, and if it did, hit the like button and comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.